In the year 1764, deep in the rural province of Gévaudan, France, a nightmare took shape. A monstrous creature lurked in the forest, striking fear into the hearts of villagers. It was no ordinary wolf. This was the Beast of Gévaudan, an apex predator unlike any seen before. The attacks were brutal and relentless. The beast targeted women and children, striking in broad daylight, tearing its victims apart with unnatural savagery. Survivors spoke of its massive size, its reddish fur, and an eerie intelligence in its eyes. As the death toll rose, fear spread across France. Rumors swirled. Was it a demon? A supernatural curse? Even King Louis XV took notice, sending his best hunters to slay the beast. But their bullets barely wounded it. Some believed the beast was no ordinary animal. Whispers spread of a shadowy nobleman who had trained a monstrous war dog for sport, or even a werewolf, cursed by dark forces. The truth was as elusive as the beast itself. After years of terror in 1767, a local hunter named Jean Chastel took aim at the beast. Legend says he loaded his musket with a silver bullet, some say blessed by a priest. One shot rang out and the monster fell, never to rise again. Though the killing stopped, questions remained. Was it truly a lone beast, or had something darker stalked the lands of Gévaudan? Some say on stormy nights the howls of an unnatural creature still echo through the hills. The legend of the Beast of Gévaudan endures. Was it a giant wolf, a supernatural entity, or something else entirely? What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more forgotten history.